Hello, I'm Abby from Birch Industries in Virginia Beach, and today we're going to talk about the Solo sprayer. This is the 301B in the clean line for Solo with EPDM insides to help protect from the chemical and for it to last longer. So when it comes out of the box, you just have to put the nozzle on. And this little tan colored part just goes right here. That's all that's in the box, that and the nozzle. The nozzle's already on the blue part. It was a twist nozzle to make it more sparse or more direct in your spray. It's got the button to let it spray, and then it has this other blue button to release the pressure if you're finished spraying, and then the pump. So it's very easy to use. When I first filled this up, I didn't realize that there is a line here. It's a little bit hard to see, so I suggest maybe getting a Sharpie. It does have a max fill line right here. It says MAX. It is easy to see once you know it's there, but all of your users might not know, so I do suggest maybe putting a magic marker there. You can see the lines. It says liter. It's 0.5, 1.0, and 1.25 for the liters. And then on this side, it has the fluid ounces, 10, 20, 30, and 40 fluid ounces. It does have feet, like a tripod, so it's easy to stand up when it's full or when it's empty. As always, you're always supposed to put the water in first, and the chemical or the solution second. So I'm going to fill it up to the line. There's the max line, and there's my water line. Now I'm going to put a little bit of this product in here. This is the Airix 44 ACE. It's a disinfectant, cleaner, and odor counteractant, disinfectant, viricide, and fungicide. Make sure you read the directions to know exactly how much of the concentrate solution or the ready-to-use that you're putting in your pump-up sprayer. If you're using tablets, which some of our customers are using, make sure you leave the top off for 1 to 2 minutes to see and ensure that it's been dissolved, or the pressure could be a little bit too much. So because I'm using a liquid, I know that it's already mixed together and I don't need to do anything further. But again, if you're using tablets, make sure that it's been dissipated before you put the top on. Nice and easy, just turn it. Make sure it's tight. Another trait about this sprayer is the pH level. If you're using them often, it is important to make sure that the pH level is appropriate for the chemical. And Solo does have different ones from 1 to 7, and then I believe from 7 to 14. And then they also have foamer ones that we have and larger ones, which we'll discuss in a little bit. So I have it on nice and tight. I have this part on twisted tight. This is the nozzle spray, and it depends on how much you want to come out. So for right now, I'm just going to set it on the solid area and start pumping. It does take a minute or so to pump it off, and you'll feel that it gets tough, and that's when you stop. Once you finish pumping, you go to your surface, you press the blue button, and you spray. This is also where you can change the nozzle if you want it more straight, or if you want more of a mist, like so. This is much more efficient than a quart bottle and can save you a lot of labor and time. It also helps the savings of the chemical by at least 50%. If you have any other questions, please contact your Birch consultant or call us at the office at 757-622-0355. Thank you.